friends, welcome to or back to my channel. But if you've never seen this face before, my name is Shauna and you should definitely subscribe because I post new videos every single week. And this week I am killing 3 birds with 1 stone. I have a problem. I buy too many clothes. But here's the thing, I don't go out like on a huge shopping spree and splurge all my money and bring home 10 bags. I buy little by little. So like I'll go out one day, I'll get 1 t-shirt, maybe 2. And I'll go another day, and it just collectively adds up until it hits me in the face and I don't realize until it's too late. And that's what happened here. Let me show you. So this is my closet. There's a lot of clothes. I have never put clothes up here in my entire life. So for the past 8 months when I was away for university, I guess I didn't realize how much I was actually buying because it was such little by little, you know, here and there. And when I came home and unpacked all my clothes, I ended up having to throw some up there, and I've come to the conclusion I have way too many. That's our first bird. I need to get rid of clothes. The second bird is that I need to pack for a 3-week vacation. I'm not gonna say where it is because it's gonna be a little surprise, but I'm going through my clothes. I'm also gonna be packing. And the third bird is that I need a video to film. And I've been seeing a lot of these on YouTube where people try on every single item in their whole closet, and I want to do it too. Those are the 3 things I'm going to accomplish in one task, which is pretty cool. We love multitasking. I think almost a year ago I did a spring cleaning video and I reorganized my closet and did kind of what I'm doing here, except I didn't try everything on. I'll have a link down below. What I'm going to do is dump all my clothes here on my bed, and then I'm going to organize them into like the way I'm going to try them on, like shirts, pants, sweaters, whatever. Organize what I'm going to keep, throw away, and also pack at the same time. Let's just get started. Oh, that didn't work. Ah! I think that's everything. These are all my clothes. I feel like it doesn't even look that much in the camera, but like, I'm sitting on a mountain. I also changed because I got really hot, but hopefully I'm not revealing anything. I don't think I am. Ready to see everything that's in my closet? I'm not, because I'm the one who's tried on, take it on and off, but I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, how do I get down?
Get scratching.
Hey guys, so it's now the next day. It took me 2 days to pack everything, try everything on, and organize my closet, all that. but I'm finally done. So here's all my stuff that I packed. I didn't fold it yet because I still need to go through it and like add a couple of things. So I kind of just threw everything in, but I'm mostly packed. And these are all the clothes that I'm getting rid of. That looks so creepy. Pretty big pile. I'm kind of glad that I got rid of a lot of stuff. And if you guys want to see my closet now, in my last closet organization video, I did it by rainbow color just because I was extra, but instead I organized them by like type. So we got jeans, jackets, long sleeves, t-shirts, tops and stuff, and like dresses, rompers, overalls, whatever. And hoodies are in there like last time and hanging here. I still have a bit too many clothes, but that's only a couple sweaters up there just because they're really thick and they're too thick to go in my drawers. So I hope you enjoyed this video of me trying on everything in my closet. But in case you were wondering, I don't think it really matters, but I did not try on pajamas, sweats and stuff, and workout clothes because I don't think what I wear to the gym and to bed is that interesting, and it honestly would have just been more work. But yeah, if you did enjoy, give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe for more videos. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye! Honestly, I feel like when I was a kid, Bethany Yamamoto was like the queen of YouTube and every little girl wanted to be her. And I actually made, you know, like the DIY videos she used to do? I actually made one of her DIY shirts and it has like bows in the back. Yo, why did I not become a fashion designer? Like, it's actually sick. Like, wow, I was so talented. Put your hand